And this is how I season my steaks. Take some Lawrys. A little bit of Lawrys on there. Next we do a dusting of garlic powder. Do dusting ginger, very light. Get oregano. A little bit of ground pepper. And we're going to rub that in. Flip the steak over. My fingertips on the calves after I do that. Same thing on the other side. A little bit too much oregano on this side. Try to get some off. It's good. Alright. We're gonna go plop it on the grill now. Want to make sure your grill's really hot, about 500 degrees, and then set it down. Have a timer on my watch. I set that to 3 minutes per side. Close it right away. Let it sit for 3 minutes, flip, 3 minutes, flip, 3 minutes, flip, 3 minutes, flip. 4 flips. And it should be good to go. 3 minutes. See the steak right here? We're just gonna flip it long ways so it's facing in the same orientation. See those nice grill marks on it? Close it. Or actually, first we're gonna set our watch. 3 more minutes. Alright, timer's going off again. We're going to flip it. This time we are going to go and flip the direction of the steak. That way you get that cross hatch. And another 3 minutes. While you're doing all this, you should make sure you feed your sweetie girl. So we're gonna get her food, right, sweetie? Go over to the kitchen and prepare her food. This is how you prepare a sweetie dish. Give her a quarter of a can of dog food. She likes it in medium-sized chunks. So we're going to do that. Just a little bit too much, so we'll put some back in the can. And then she likes some boiled chicken with it. And then we gotta, as it was cold, we gotta heat it up. 15 seconds. What? What? And then after you heat it up, then you can put the crunchies on. Not too much. Just a good amount of crunchies. Bring that over to Sweetie. There you go. And it's just about time to flip the steak for the last time. It should be starting to fire up now. A few seconds, we're not quite there yet. And now we're going to flip it. Do it the same way that it is now. That crosshatch on the one side. 3 more minutes and we'll be done. So it has been 12 minutes since the steak has been on the grill. I test the wellness of it by prodding with my tongs. You can get a feel for how well it is done. And it does feel like it's just perfect right now, so I'm going to take this off. Let's see how good the crosshatch marks came out. But it should be good now. Fairly confident it's done just right, so I'm going to turn the grill off. Voila! There's your perfect steak. Let's cut into this. Usually I'd let it sit for a few minutes, but let's just see how this looks right now. Oh yeah, just right, medium rare. Good to go. Sweetie, what's up? What's up? What are you looking at? You want steak? You want steak? Is that what you want?